Hello friends and welcome back to another gardening video. As it's the month of December and Christmas is round the corner, I have created this very easy jade bonsai and decorated it as a Christmas tree. So I'm going to show you how you can also create this very easy jade bonsai. It took me some time to make this bonsai, but you can use a bigger branch of jade plant and create the same bonsai in a shorter period of time. I began from scratch using this tiny jade branch and I allowed it to grow, and I kept pruning it time after time because pruning the jade plant helps makes the stem become thicker. And initially I had taken a really thin jade branch, so I had to repeat this process for a few months. So if you take a thicker branch, then you can create this bonsai really quickly. So over here you can see when the jade plant is giving out a lot of branches, I am pruning them off, and then I am watering and fertilizing the plant using mustard cake liquid fertilizer and keeping it out in the sun, and then I am again pruning the branches when they grow out. And by repeating this process a few times, you can see that the stem has become thicker now. So I gave it a final hard pruning, and this is how the plant looks now. Now it's going to give out branches from the two sides in the shape of a V, and this is what we need to create the Christmas tree, because what we need is a triangular kind of a shape. So I'm going to allow this to grow now, and with the weight of the branch is going to come down a little bit. Otherwise you can press it from the top and allow it to grow in this shape. And once you're happy with the shape, you can trim off and give it the final pruning in the shape of the Christmas tree. So in this manner you can easily create the triangular Christmas tree shape. And then I allowed it to grow off a little bit more, and then I trimmed off a little bit in the end to finally get my Christmas tree. And now I'm going to color the pot with red color, as red is one of the Christmas colors. And over here I'm using oil paint, so I'll have to give it 2 to 3 layers and let it dry off. Then I created a very easy snowflake design on the center of the pot. For making the snowflake, I have used white acrylic color, and I'm going to tell you one easy trick to make the snowflake. And you can add some dots after creating the lines, and you can use these dots as the points to make the snowflake points. So the points are kind of like in the center and not too much tilted, and in this manner you can easily create the snowflake. Now I'll be just adding a little bit more paint and thickening the lines and giving a few more snowflake like patterns on all these to finally finish off creating the snowflake. And I'll allow it to dry off completely. By the time it's drying off, I'm going to create the decorations that I'll be using on this Christmas tree, and the first one that I'm going to make is the star on top. So I chose this yellow colored origami paper to make the star. So I'll be needing 5 tiny squares for the 5 points of the star. So I'm taking roughly around 1.5 centimeter, a little less actually, and I'm marking it over here. Then I'll be cutting off the paper in a long strip, and then I'll be again marking the 1.5 centimeter marks, and I'll be cutting squares, and I'll create 5 such squares, and eventually I'll be cutting them off and folding them to make the 5 points of the star. And this star is really easy to make. First fold the paper diagonally as I have done over here and press it down firmly so that you get the crisp line. And then you have to fold the two top part of the paper in this manner and press it down firmly. And then you have the little triangle on the other side. You will be putting that, turning that inside, and again we'll be repeating the folding part similarly on this side also. And in this manner we can easily create the first point of the star. So I'll be sticking this with a little bit of glue. I'm using white glue over here. So little bit of white glue applied, and then just press down and let it dry off completely before joining all the 5 points together to form the star. And once all the 5 points are formed, we have to stick them together on one side like I'm doing over here. Once all the 5 points are joined, I'll be sticking the last one also, but before that I'll allow these 5 points to dry off completely. Then I'll open it and it will open up like a star, like so. And I'll be gluing up the last bit also. And on the center of the star, since there was a little bit of gap, I'm going to just add one tiny rhinestone, and the Christmas star is done. Now for attaching it to the Christmas tree, I'm going to add a little stick. So for this I'm using a little bit of tape, and this is how I created the Christmas star. Apart from the Christmas star, I'm going to use these plastic bits. They look like snowflake. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue, and on the yellow ones I have added the golden colored glitter. And I tapped them on top of the glue, and in this manner I created some other colors also. And when they dried off, I'm going to thread them up like so that I can easily put them on the Christmas tree. I also made some foil balls and attached a little bit of thread on top, and with a piece of paper I'm going to create one tiny stocking also to decorate the Christmas tree. So you have to only make the shape of a stocking, and the lower part I'm going to color it red, and on the upper part and the heel and the toe area I'm going to add some white acrylic color. And once this stocking dries off, I'm going to punch a hole and pass a thread through the top so that I can attach this easily on the Christmas tree. Apart from this stocking, I also created this golden bow, and I'll be using this also as a decoration. And finally, the moment when I'm going to decorate my miniature jade bonsai Christmas tree. So on top I added the star, and I also created some tiny gift boxes which I kept down, and I'm going to attach all the decorative things that I had created, like these silver balls and the snowflake kind of shiny stars, the stockings, the bow. I also added these golden decorative items that I had. So in this manner I decorated my miniature jade bonsai Christmas tree. You can place this in any corner of your home to instantly add a dash of color and to brighten up that area. And before ending this video, I wish all of you a Merry Christmas. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.